We all blurt out negative exchanges from time to time, but there's ways to repair it.
Yeah, and it's good you notice you're having negative exchanges because that means you can make them positive once you realize they're negative. So congratulations. It's driving me absolutely crazy. We have an infestation of Post-it notes. They're on the computer, in the computer, on the kitchen counter, on the phone, everywhere. It's driving me nuts.
You always complain I forget everything, so what else am I supposed to do? And what about your piles of clothes? Clothes, 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 on the dresser, on the chair, on the floor. Everywhere I look, there's some pile of clothes for this or that. Never put them away.
No, I'm sorry I said that. Let's do a rewind. I guess what I'm trying to say, I really appreciate how nice and neat you keep the house, and sometimes when I see Post-it notes everywhere, kind of seems out of character for the house. So I guess I have a request that, can we limit the number of Post-it notes?
Like chuck them out after I finish?
Yeah, that would help. Because there's some really old ones, and I don't know if they're old or not, but you know.
Okay, I'll try to keep on top of it.
So that was a rewind. So if you think, which version was more pleasing to Krishna? And which version made you feel better?
And when you can quickly rewind and redo a negative exchange, then you're able to forget about it. Otherwise, you carry it in your heart for a long time. But if you can immediately make a repair, then you can forget all about it and don't have to think about it ever again.
And this is also what Bhakti Yoga is about, pulling out the weeds that are growing beside your mutual devotional creepers. And it's going to help you both grow closer to Krishna together.
Haribol.
Hare Krishna. I'm really upset. The house is getting an infestation of Post-it notes. They're everywhere. They're on the computer, on the counter, in the computer, on the kitchen cupboards. This is driving me absolutely crazy.